Welcome to J&J's test video of S7HU219. This is a 07 Special Edition WS2 Hummer with, I don't even know how many miles. Let's see, I forgot. I had to get a key made for it. 162,973. Seat goes backwards, switch has been replaced. Has the carbon trim. Holding good oil pressure, coolant. Hitting the nose out there, climate control works, turn the AC on, radio works. Can't check the transmission just because it's on the stands right now. Give you a walk around. Little rusty, that's alright. The special edition ones are okay. Let's see. Show you if the mirrors work. Door panels. The spare tire carrier's rusty. Climb up in here. Let's turn this thing on. That mirror ain't no good. Let's see if this one works. Let's see if it folds. No luck on the folding. Let's see if the roof works. There she goes. Yeah. Again, your runner. Got a check engine light. A lot of these, because they haven't been run for months on end, just come on. That'll do it for S7HU219. 07 Hummer H2. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.